shit. Oh my god. Oh wait, it's the wrong way. Look at my sandal. I wore these every day for the past like 2 years. Say hello.
That's so sad.
Hi. Okay, let's ride bikes, dude. Cause I just crashed my bike. Like, who over the age of 12 crashes their bike? I don't know. But now my sandal doesn't work. Okay, I'm gonna get back up. When you fall off your horse, you just gotta get back up and keep recording.
You're like, yeah.
Dude, I was all, dude. I was like, I'm going to the curb. I'm crashing. I saw the curb. I freaking saw the curb. I ran over it, and then all of a sudden, oh my god, I'm about to do it again. I did it again. Like, I see the curb. I see myself going towards the curb.
Okay.
And I can't.
have to go in the middle of the road.
And I can't get away from it. But that means I have to record from this angle.
You got like 3
But that
quarters
means
of the way up the street, and you've already crashed twice.
Twice, dude. Dude, but my sandal's broken, so like my equilibrium's off. Dude, I can't believe.
Stop.
You know why?
Why?
It's because this hand is out of control.
Oh,
I just gotta hold the handle.
give it to me. Give it
Yeah.
to me. I'll film it.
Okay, wait. I gotta face the screen.
Here we are.
Yeah. Dude, let's go to the mall tomorrow so I can buy new shoes.
Okay.
Now I don't have any. So this is me and Steven at what, 3 in the morning now?
Something like that.
We've been riding for 6 minutes and I've crashed over 2 curves. Like,
Middle of the road. Middle of the road.
munched
Middle of
it,
the
like,
road.
I fell. I didn't like, oh, I hit the curb. No, like I fell off my bike.
Okay, we have to turn here.
Where? Which way?
This way. Let's go to Taco Bell.
Shit.
How do we turn?
That's even
What does turning mean?
That's even smaller than the road.
No, just go over here. Woo!
You're in the road.
What?
You're in the road.
Oh,
You're only recording me, not myself.
why am I in the road?
That means that you have to record like this so we can both do it.
Oh, well, okay.
Do that? Because apparently I can't do that.
It's us. I'm riding in the grass. It's
Apparently I can't control my steering.
my staring.
My steering skills. Sat. Whoa. Whoa!
You're horrible at bike riding.
I'm horrible and intoxicated bike riding.
Shh. We're sober. Ew, shit's always sober.
Hey, tomorrow's the sale at Old Navy where every flip-flop is $1.
Ooh, we should go there and get new
Let's go to Old
flip-flops.
Navy. When do they open? Because it's almost like 6 a.m., right?
Yeah, that's great. Right? Okay, I think we need to be done for now. Because I don't want to, like, drop this.
So you want me to over?
No, I think we need to pause it for a little while.
I don't think I can pause it. I just gotta stop it.
Okay.